Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. In this narration, we explore smart wooden chair designs and small crafts that maximize your earnings. When people think about woodcraft income, they often imagine massive furniture pieces, large workshops, and expensive machinery. But the truth is much more encouraging. Some of the most profitable projects are not the biggest ones. They are the smartest ones. A well-designed wooden chair can generate consistent income because it solves a universal need. Everyone sits. Every home, office, cafe, and outdoor space needs chairs. When you understand this simple truth, you begin to see chairs not as ordinary objects, but as everyday necessities with powerful earning potential. A smart wooden chair design is not just about appearance. It is about structure, comfort, durability, material efficiency, and production speed. When you create a chair that uses wood efficiently, reduces waste, and can be replicated with consistent measurements, you turn your workshop into a small production system. That system is where earnings multiply. The key is designing once and selling many times. One of the most profitable approaches is the minimalist dining chair. Clean lines, straight legs, and a slightly curved backrest. This design reduces cutting complexity and speeds up assembly. It appeals to modern homes and restaurants. The beauty of minimalism is that it lowers production time while increasing market demand. When a chair takes fewer hours to produce but sells at a premium because of its contemporary look, your profit margin grows quietly but steadily. Another smart design is the stackable wooden chair. Stackable chairs are highly demanded by event halls, schools, churches, and cafes. They save space, which makes them attractive to buyers. From a business perspective, a stackable chair design means repeat bulk orders. Instead of selling one chair, you sell 20 or 50 at a time. That changes everything in terms of cash flow. Bulk buyers create stability. Comfort should never be sacrificed for speed. A slight ergonomic curve in the seat makes a huge difference. Even a small angle adjustment in the backrest improves comfort. When customers sit and feel supported, they associate your craftsmanship with quality. That emotional connection encourages word-of-mouth marketing. Satisfied customers become silent sales agents. Folding wooden chairs are another powerful income stream. They are perfect for outdoor events, weddings, and temporary seating arrangements. If you design a folding mechanism that is sturdy and easy to use, you tap into a rental market as well. Some craftsmen sell folding chairs directly, while others rent them out for events. Renting creates recurring income from the same product. That is smart asset utilization. Rocking chairs hold timeless appeal. While they require slightly more skill to produce due to curved runners, they sell at higher prices. Customers see rocking chairs as comfort pieces, not just seating. Adding a smooth finish and comfortable armrests increases perceived value. A single premium rocking chair can generate the profit of several basic chairs. Beyond chairs, small wooden crafts connected to seating spaces can multiply earnings. Think about small side stools, footrests, or compact plant stands. These projects use leftover wood pieces from chair production. Instead of discarding scraps, you transform them into sellable products. This reduces waste and increases overall profit from the same material purchase. Another powerful concept is customization. Offering customers choices in stain color, cushion fabric, or engraving details increases perceived exclusivity. Personalized chairs for weddings or special events can be sold at higher prices. Small engraved names or meaningful dates turn a simple chair into a sentimental product. Emotional value supports premium pricing. Outdoor wooden chairs represent another strong niche. Garden seating, patio chairs, and porch loungers are in constant demand. Using weather-resistant finishes increases durability and customer satisfaction. Outdoor furniture often sells at higher price points because it must withstand natural elements. Designing simple, durable outdoor chairs can expand your target market. Children's wooden chairs are also profitable. Parents prefer sturdy and safe furniture for their kids. Smaller chairs require less material but can sell at attractive prices due to their specialized purpose. Adding playful designs or natural finishes makes them appealing for nurseries and schools. Speed in production comes from systems. When you create templates for cutting, jigs for drilling, and standardized measurements, you reduce errors and save time. Consistency improves quality control. Faster production with consistent quality increases your monthly output, which directly increases earnings. Branding plays a silent but powerful role. If each chair carries a small, subtle brand mark or signature, customers begin to recognize your work. Over time, your name becomes associated with durability and beauty. Brand recognition allows you to raise prices gradually without losing customers. Now let's talk about pricing strategy. Many woodworkers underprice their chairs. They calculate only material cost and forget labor value, finishing materials, tool wear, and electricity. A smart pricing formula includes all expenses plus a clear profit margin. When pricing reflects true cost and value, your business becomes sustainable. Small crafts such as wooden coasters, trays, wall hooks, and desk organizers complement chair sales beautifully. When a customer purchases a dining chair set, offering matching wooden accessories increases total order value. Cross-selling small crafts boosts earnings without requiring new customers. Market positioning matters. Selling directly to customers through social media or local exhibitions increases profit because you eliminate middlemen. High-quality photos and short videos of your production process build trust. People appreciate seeing how products are made. Seasonal demand should guide your production planning. Outdoor chairs sell more in warmer months. Indoor dining chairs sell consistently year-round. Planning inventory according to seasonal trends reduces unsold stock and protects cash flow. Efficiency in finishing also impacts income. Choosing finishes that dry faster and require fewer coats reduces turnaround time. Faster turnaround means quicker delivery, which improves customer satisfaction and increases referrals. Sustainability is becoming a strong selling point. Using responsibly sourced wood or recycled timber attracts environmentally conscious buyers. Highlighting this aspect in your marketing can justify premium pricing. Small decorative crafts such as wooden candle holders, key holders, and compact shelves can be displayed alongside chairs during exhibitions. These smaller items often sell quickly because they are affordable impulse purchases. Even small profits add up when volume increases. Investing in better tools gradually improves production speed and precision. Your skills deserve a future as strong as your craftsmanship. By choosing designs that endure, you turn creativity into stability and passion into lasting income. This is how woodcraft becomes not just a craft, but a career. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.